Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel KN Academy. So in this video I am going to discuss about off-campus hiring which is from Susken Technology and Capgemini. Okay, so two off-campus drive I will discuss which is for tech background and non-tech background. So this is for tech background. So Susken Technology currently hiring for engineer system software and date 24 January 2023. So this is very recent opportunity. Now talking about the criteria, qualification criteria and skills criteria. So education and experience required over here, engineering graduate, MC etc. So like engineering graduate or MC graduate can apply over here. Engineering graduate means B.Tech students with related branches, and MC students can definitely apply. Talking about experience, 0 to 2 years. If you have 0 years experience or if you have up to 2 years experience, then you can definitely apply. Okay, so competency in description, generics engineer 1 who has less than 1 years of experience, is well versed with a programming language and has done academic project in the programming language. Okay, so ये आपके skills यहाँ पे होने वाली हैं that you should have programming skills, and also if you have done any academic project in programming language, so it will be added advantage, and has understanding of the uses of the IT for the development and understand the basic and standards. Okay, and has a good problem solving and reasoning skills to solve basic programming quests and implement the data structures and algorithm. So these are the skills criteria, and specialization C, C++, Java, Python, Kotlin, C, C++, Java, Python. So you should have specialization in programming language. So if you have related experience, related skills, and in programming knowledge, so definitely you can apply. Now talking about the second opportunity which is from Capgemini. Capgemini currently hiring for invoice processing specialist, 0 to 1 year, and job location Kolkata. And talking about the other primary skills and secondary skills, so basically this is for non-tech students, and perform vendor reconciliation and month end closing, resolve vendor and client queries, voicemail and email, and secondary skills, good commands over English in terms of the written and spoken English, basic understanding of MS Excel. So basically if you have good communication skills and MS Excel skills, so definitely you can apply, and you can definitely apply if you are from non-tech background like BA, BCom or BSc non-IT students, basically simple BSc who has done, so you can definitely apply in this job. So guys, I will put apply link for both these opportunity in the description box. You can apply from there. I hope you like the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.